All right, welcome back, everybody. That's a beautiful sight right there. Not seeing much wind in the Helena Valley. It is a little gusty in the higher terrain around town, and the reporting station out at the Helena Airport, was possibly damaged yesterday in the wind, so we're not getting much information. 36 in Great Falls, south wind 16 miles per hour. Boy, some Arctic air spilled into the eastern part of the state, parts of the High Line. There's the wind, southwest wind, 24 miles per hour in Lewistown, some gusts to 33. It's not that bad. Wasn't that bad out there today. Tomorrow, though, even through the overnight hours, you probably hear that wind ramping up Cascade County, the Continental Divide, out across some of the plains. Look at this tomorrow morning. Having some strong wind coming down, and some trees and branches that were compromised from this last wind event may come down in this wind as we go through Friday. Lighter wind later in the day, and even Saturday, a little bit of a breezy day, a pretty chilly wind out there. So I've got another high wind warning. East Glacier area, Rocky Mountain fronts, all the way out through the Judith Gap area, 30 to 45 mile per hour sustained winds, gusts 60 to 75. Helena's not included in a warning or an advisory. Got this for west of the divide. There's some gusts of 55, but a strong wind event, winter weather advisory for some snow tonight, tomorrow, and a little snow and a little ice up in the northeast part of the state after your blizzard last night. All right, so we got some snow coming in, some snow falling in the higher terrain. May have a little light rain and snow around Helena tonight. Great Falls, quiet, some snow. Teton Pass opens up tomorrow. Got about a foot of snow, look at that, around the Judith Gap area. Got a little snow coming down. Another atmospheric river coming in, and there goes our storm from yesterday. Boy, it's gonna bring some strong wind up into the northeast part of the country. So mountain snow here tonight. Snow levels actually rising as some warm Pacific air comes in. We've got a little ice. Careful on the roads tomorrow morning, northeast Montana. Helena waking up to some rain, and it may mix with and change to snow mid to late morning. We'll have some wind, some sun in the afternoon, maybe some heavier snow showers over the Continental Divide. A couple of snow showers maybe down there around Bozeman. Saturday looks like a pretty nice day here for most of the state. A little breezy, a little snow up on the Rocky Mountain front, but some good sunshine here. So snow tonight into tomorrow morning. Up there above Lincoln as well, seeing some heavy snow, maybe even down there around Bozeman. A little snow tomorrow afternoon. So tonight, some snow in the mountains, a little rain snow mix and ice out in eastern Montana. That Arctic air is moving out. A little snow in the Little Belts and some rain and snow around Helena. Rain tomorrow morning, 47, 48 for the high in Great Falls. Front goes through, temperatures will drop, the wind picks up. A little rain mixing with changing to snow. Saturday, a little better day. Bundle up if you're heading to Bozeman. Should be plenty sunshine, but a little on the coolish side. And the first day of winter, increasing clouds and temperatures a little bit above average. All right, we are a week from Christmas. Holy cow. So we've kind of quiet the few days leading up to Christmas. Christmas Day might be a little cool, especially for the northern part of the state. And Helena, some rain mixing with snow tomorrow, and it will be windy.